OK, thanks, Charles.
Oh, thank you, Mark. Did I tell you that I helped to develop the blood bank? I also discovered that while people have different blood groups, everybody has the same kind of plasma. Another little discovery that helped save countless lives.
OK. Now, Chaz, you and me both know loads about blood, so I thought it'd be great if you and me could do a blood transfusion together.
No, I don't think that's wise, Mark. I don't think you know enough about blood.
So this woman needs a blood transfusion. And this is our donor.
What is this?
Don't know everything, do you, Charlie? This is a dog.
You can't give a human dog's blood. It's totally different to human blood.
Yeah, we have to get it from a cat. Human. Yeah, totally, yeah. I knew that. Glenda? OK, this is Glenda. She's a human. She's going to be giving us some blood today.
What are you doing?
Giving a patient human blood, mate. Try and keep up.
No, you can't just give her anyone's blood. It has to be a match, the same blood group.
What now?
Everybody has slight differences in what makes up their blood. In fact, there are many different types of blood group. You can't just give this woman Glenda's blood unless she's in the same blood group as the patient. Thanks, Glenda.
Wow, there's a lot to remember, isn't there?
I'm starting to think you know absolutely nothing about blood.
Well, that's where you're wrong, mate, because I know loads about blood.
You thought plasma was a type of TV set.
Yeah, mate, I probably even know more than you about bloods, but you're the guest on the show, and I didn't want to embarrass you in front of everyone at home watching it on the TV, which for many people will be a plasma.
Unbelievable. Unbelievable.
Charles Drew, everyone. And now, Bob.
So here's an interesting thing. Some animals actually feed on the blood of other animals. And we've got one here. It's a leech.
Bob! Bob!
Oh. Now, where's that leech got to?
Bob! Get it away! Get it off me!
Wow, that hungry leech is enormous.
I can see that, you idiot! Get it off me! Now!
There's no need to call me names.
What? I don't mean it. It's all just playful banter. Please, get this leech away from me!
Only if you help me with my first aid badge. And you have to be nice to me. For a whole week.
What? Yes, just get it off!
Little leechy, come to me. Oh, really likes your blood. Oh,
thank heavens. Oh, you took your time about it, didn't you, you rusting heap of... I mean, thank you, Bob. You're the best.
It's so horrible.
Oh, hey, Prof, how's it going?
Mark, well, there's good news and bad news.
The good news is we found out what those teeny tiny bits of cell in your blood are for.
They're called platelets.
And when you cut yourself, they plug the gap and form a scab, like the one we're in now.
Great. And what's...
The bad news, now your cut is completely scabbed over, we're stuck in your finger.
I have completely overcome my squeamishness, and I have a solution.
You do? Oh, thank goodness.
Yes, we will simply cut your finger off.
Yeah, you just cut... No,
Good idea, yes. Don't worry, I can sew it back on and get my first aid badge.
No.
You're welcome.
No!
Here we are.
Oh, get off me, Bob!
Not
I
helping.
I preferred it when you were scared of blood.
Don't be such a baby. Just this little finger off here, I can...
Oh, my scab's come completely off.
Oh, that's gross. Humans are gross.
Professor, are you okay?
Prepare yourself for an insane look at what they don't tell you in the science books. From inner space to the universe, we're on a case to face the worst. It's icky and it's whiffy and it's yucky and it's squishy, but we love it.